Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips series. Today, we're diving into how to change your MSN password in 2025. With cyber threats on the rise, keeping your account secure is more important than ever, and this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, ensure you're on a secure device and have a stable internet connection. Open your web browser and head to the Microsoft account sign-in page at account.microsoft.com. This is where all your MSN, Outlook, or Hotmail passwords are managed. Step 1. Log in using your current MSN email address and password. If you've forgotten it, you might need to use the Forgot Password option first, but we'll assume you can access your account for now. Once logged in, look for the Security or Account Settings section, usually found in the top right corner under your profile icon. Click on it to proceed. Step 2. In the security settings, find the Password option and select it. You'll be asked to verify your identity by entering your current password again. This is for your protection. Step 3. Now, enter your new password. Make it strong. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols, and aim for at least 12 characters to beef up your security. After entering your new password, confirm it and hit save. Microsoft may send a verification code to your email or phone, so check for that and enter it if prompted. Finally, log out of your account and log back in with your new password to ensure everything's working smoothly. That's it. You've successfully changed your MSN password. A quick tip. Change your password every few months, enable two-factor authentication, and avoid reusing passwords across sites. Stay safe out there. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.